What's good, everybody? It's your girl, the Real Bree B, and I'm back with a new video. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, I'm Bree. I am a stay-at-home mom who loves beauty and fashion, but I love fashion that's on a budget. So I'm going to make you look good without breaking the bank, okay? And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and watching this video. If you're not subscribed, you got to join the gang, girlfriend, okay? Or guy friend, whoever you are. All right, so let's get started. So today I have a Stitch Fix review. And if you all don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's basically a subscription box where you are paired with a stylist, and it's a styling service. Let's just put it like that. It's a styling service. It's just like my short story. If you guys watch my short story video, it's literally just like that. So you fill out information as far as your style is concerned, your height, your weight, all of that stuff, and you give them just some information on what type of styles you like. You know, like whether it be chic, whether it be boho, whatever the case may be. They will then pair you with a stylist, and that stylist pulls some things, puts it in a box, and sends it to you. So they basically give you time to decide whether you want the outfits or not, or whether you want some and then you return some. Stitch Fix only gives you 3 days, but you can extend that time if you want to. You just go online and go to your profile and let them know that you want to extend it. They do give you a like a package that already has postage on it. Same thing as Short Story. Short Story did the same thing. If you saw my previous video, then you know what I'm talking about. It already has postage on it. So the things that you do not want, that you do want to return or you want to exchange, you don't want to pop the tags off. You want to put them back in the bag and you want to send them back to the company. Me personally, I did not send anything back because I liked all of my stuff. Okay, so let's get into it. With Short Story, when I received my Short Story box, it was really cute. Everything came like packaged in a little bow and everything. They also gave me like a little pamphlet that had each item on it, and it had a little paragraph by the by the item and all that good stuff. Stitch Fix didn't do that. Stitch Fix gave me this and introduced me to my stylist, and then it gave me each item. Didn't give me no cute little paragraph or nothing like that, but it gave me the item and then the cost of the item and then the total amount of the whole box. So I'm gonna start out with the clothes that they gave me. I'm gonna show you guys the clothes that they gave me. The first thing I'm gonna start out with is the Recycled Boyfriend Open Blazer. It's in the color brown and it's by Skies Are Blue. This is the blazer right here. As you can see, it has like the runched up sleeves. It is nice and it is soft. This is the inside pattern. It does have some shoulder pads in it, and it also has pockets as well. And it looks really good on. Mine came in a size small because, again, I am petite. So if you all don't know that, I am short. I am 5'1". So this fit me very well. I had no complaints about it. Thought it was really cute, and just another blazer to add into my closet. Next up, I got the Tiara Scoop Neck Bodysuit, and this is by Gilly. And this is what the bodysuit looks like. So the thing about bodysuits, I do own a couple of bodysuits. I love this bodysuit because if you know anything about bodysuits, sometimes they come in like that thong type, like at the bottom, like it feels like you have a wedgie all day type thing. But this one isn't like that. This is more so like a bathing suit. So it fits very well. I love the color. I love the fit. This is the pattern. So this is what the pattern looks like. Overall, the fabric is nice and it's breathable. I do like the color. I like the way it feels and I like the way it fits on me. Next, we have the Kyle Square neck model fitted top. This is literally like the same thing I have on right now. So this is like the same thing I pretty much have on right now. It's just a little bit longer. It's just your regular basic top. If you guys continue to follow me, you will learn that I am a basic person. I love all things basic. But the thing that I like about basics is, especially like I like to get black, white, and brown. And you could pair it with so many different things. So me adding this shirt that's really similar to this shirt to my collection is all good because you can never have too many. That's how I feel sometimes. So, so this is nice. This is a regular black square neck tank top. That's all it really is. But it can go with so many things. It can go with trousers. It can go with some joggers. It can go with some jeans, shorts, you name it. This can go with anything. We've got the Cotton Crew neck tee. This is by Market and Spruce. Y'all, it's just a regular white tee, but don't get it twisted, okay? You can do so many things with a white tee. Like you can dress it up, you can dress it down. In my last video, I did have something not similar, but it was a basic like t-shirt type thing, and I was going back and forth whether with I should keep it or not because I said that I had already had so many basics in my closet. But y'all, a crisp white tee, okay, with some like just some jeans and some sneakers on a chill day, on a casual day, like you can't go wrong with that. So it's just a basic white tee and I'm keeping it. I popped all the tags. Literally, I popped all the tags off of everything, so I didn't send nothing back. So this is something that I kept. Like I said, dress it up, dress it down. It looks good, no matter how you style it. Last item is the Mandy High Rise boot cut jean. So these are in the size 27, which is a size 4 in American sizes. The inseam, I believe, is 26 inches. I think that's the inseam because I am very short. I am petite. These come in petite. So these jeans are petite. I am petite and I love these jeans so much because they fit so perfect at my ankles. I do not have to hem the bottom. These jeans are amazing. I love them. I love the way they feel on me. I love the fit. I love the cut. I love the style. I love the color. I love everything about these jeans. Okay. so, so these are the jeans right here. And you guys, these fit so well. So overall, I say I loved my Stitch Fix box. Just to give you guys an idea, I am 5'1". I'm around like 125 pounds. So everything that I have is a size small. So I love all of these items that I got. Will I be getting another box? I think I will. Yes. So how these um how these particular services work is what happens is they will send you clothes and you have the option to send some back or keep all of them, or you can send all of them back. The things that you don't send back, they charge you for. The things that you do send back, they don't charge you for. So it's important to, when you get your items, you go online and notify them, let them know that you received them. And then also make note that, you know, if you want to keep it or you want to return it, you want to exchange it, let them know how it fit on your body and everything. Mine, yeah, like I said, I kept everything with Stitch Fix. With Short Story, I sent some items back. You do have the option to pause anything. So if you do not want to receive a box every month or every 2 months, so I think some of them are like every week or something like that. If you do not want to receive that many boxes, you do have the option to pause. So with Stitch Fix, I feel like my stylist got it right. She understood my style. That was another thing. I made note to give them every little detail about me. I even included like a link to my Pinterest board so she could go on my Pinterest board and she could look at it. She even made notes. She even said that in her introduction to me. So that made me know, like, okay, that's cool. They really were looking at my style, like things that I like to wear. So I am so happy with this particular box. I look forward to another box. So I did decide to get another box. So that one should be coming like at the beginning of June. And I said in my last video, I didn't know if I was going to get a new box with a short story box, but I did. I kind of want to see what they're going to do next. So I'm going to be probably be getting another short story box. I honestly think these subscription boxes are really good for people who cannot get out of the house and shop all the time. There are some people who just don't have the ability to leave their home and they still want to look good. So I think this is a good service for people. Myself, I just wanted to try it. Like I can get out. I love getting out. I love getting out and going to the stores and buying things and stuff. But I just wanted to see how this particular, like these services. Okay, not my microphone dying on me while I was still in the middle of talking. I think I said that I do enjoy getting out of the house, and but I do know that this service is good for people who cannot get out of the house. So I think that was the end of that part, what I was saying. That's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you all so much for taking the time out to watch my video. If you have any questions about Stitch Fix or Short Story, the other subscription box that I use, you can just leave your comments in the comment section. I will respond to you. By the way, I'm trying to make long form videos, guys. So I'm trying to be more consistent when it comes to making content. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm just trying to hold myself accountable for that. Like seriously, like stick to it because it's so easy to fall off, like for real. Like you feel like, oh, I'm not getting enough views or I don't have enough subscribers, whatever. Just make the content. That's all I gotta say. Make the content and post it. I'm not really talking to y'all. I'm really talking to myself. So when I go back and look at this video, it's like, okay, yes, keep posting, girl. But anyways, thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch my video. I will see you all in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.